Grandpa Doobie, we have hiccups.
Hiccups. How come? Mom. Oh, Doobie, my hiccups. Come on, Doobie, hiccups.
Huh?
Doobie, hiccups. Where's the ham?
Hey, now it's time for chicken.
Where's the little ham? Where's the ham? Where's the ham?
Time for chicken.
And my mom.
Finish some chicken first.